If you're starting a YouTube channel from scratch, then this is what I would do first. Now, I've only been going about 21 days myself, but 100% this is what I would recommend. Learn your camera settings. And this is something that I hold my hands up, I'm still really rubbish at. And it is something that I'm very fortunate that I have a partner who knows what he's doing, because otherwise the colours, everything would be all over the shop. So learn your ISO, learn what aperture means, learn about shutter speed, white balance, frame rates, picture profiles, exposure compensation. All of these things are really important, and it is something that I am working really hard to try and catch up on myself so that I can make these videos even better. So that is my top tip. If you're starting from scratch, learn those settings, learn your camera, learn what you need to do to make them look even better, more professional, like LUTs and things like that. Learn what that means and learn how to do it for your setting to make everything look incredible.